What up, YouTube? This is Leroy here to finally do a breakdown of my custom Tacamo Blizzard sniper rifle. Here she is. Shout out to Daniel Vargas for this. And for those who wanted me to do a video of me shooting first strikes, I bought some for that purpose. These are the brass copper first strikes. And as you can tell, I've already been shooting them. This is what they look like. Okay. Now back to what you guys really want to see. Here she is. I haven't really done much, but I can say that I am finished. I went ahead and bought some, or actually 4 of the 14 round first strike magazines. I bought a 17 CI HPA tank. This one is on 3000 PSI, so this is the tank we will be using. And I bought some Magpul rail covers. That's pretty much all I've done. I've already explained that I bought the first strike bolt, the ACOG, flip up sights. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is like a rubber piece in between the rail and the ACOG. And the reason for that is because, well, the rubber between the ACOG and the riser mount, I also bought the riser mount. That's another thing I added to it. But the reason for this piece of rubber is because even though I had it zeroed, it would still, yes, it would hit on target, but I had to aim. I had to put the crosshairs above the target like an inch or so, and so that piece of rubber is just to give the ACOG like a decline angle so that it's more on target, which now it's spot on. Yeah, so here she is. After everything is said and done, I've spent about 14 or 1500 on building this. Everywhere I take it, I get people who want to take pictures, take pictures holding it, stuff like that. I feel like a celebrity. I love it. But now to the breakdown. What's up again? Shout out to whoever it was that explained from the Rap4 website that this is indeed the 16-inch Bang 6 barrel, not the 12-inch, as I said in my previous video. Yes, this is the 16-inch Bang 6 rifled barrel with the M50 muzzle brake. It comes with a fin that's threaded for the Tacamo or the Titman 98s. You can buy the fin separate from the barrel on the Rap4 website so that it fits your particular marker. This is the 12-inch Riz handguard. This right here, not the rail covers, but the handguard. It is the 12-inch Riz handguard. I don't know the name of this bipod, but it is a 6-9. It was like 30 bucks off of eBay. This, I don't know the name as well, but it's I think it's Sniper something. It comes with both front and rear flip up iron sights. It was only 12 bucks off of eBay, or no, not eBay, Amazon. This is the Magpul foregrip, black, all blacked out. This is a riser mount. I don't know exactly what the name of this is either, but it was 60 bucks off of Amazon only because I had it overnight shipped. I've already explained the rubber, the purpose of the rubber in between the handguard, or not the handguard, but the rail and the riser mount. This is the Waltis 4x32 cone ACOG. This is true fiber optics, so it does use the sun's light to power the crosshair. Both the front and the rear flip up sights are Trijicon. I also have a flash hider on this, which I don't know if you can see, but it is honeycomb. Go ahead, take a look. All together, the rear and the front and the flash hider came to like 50 bucks. Trijicon accessories are expensive. I bought all these off Amazon, and it was overnight, so that could be the purpose of it being so much. But yeah, for the flash hider, the front and the rear flip up sight, it was around 50 bucks. This is the DMA air through stock tank. It comes with the rifle, the stock rifle. That's pretty much all that I've done to the outer part of the rifle. The only customization that I've made to the internals is the bolt. It is the first strike ready bolt, which I don't know if you can see that. There we go. I wish I had the stock bolt just to show the comparisons, but this bolt, the first strike ready bolt, it prevents chopping of the first strikes. With the original bolt, even with the regular paint, there was a lot of chopping, as you can see in my previous video. This one I have not had it chop yet, shooting my first strikes, which you guys will get to see after I do this demonstration. But that's pretty much it for the breakdown. Like I said, this is the 16-inch, not the 12-inch. This is a 16-inch hammerhead rifle barrel with the M50 muzzle brake. I don't know the name of this bipod, but it is 6-9. This is some type of sniper front and rear as a combo flip-up sights. These are the Magpul enhanced rail panels off of Amazon. This is the 12-inch Riz handguard. This is the Magpul foregrip. Don't know the name of this riser mount. This is the Waltis 4x32 ACOG scope clone with true fiber optics. Both the front and the rear and the flash hider are true Trijicon accessories. Bought them for like 50 bucks off of Amazon. This is the DMA air through stock. This is the 13-inch HPA air tank, Ninja HPA air tank. I also have, like I've showed you guys, this is the 17 CI HPA air tank. It's 3,000 PSI. This was about $100 off of the Modern Combat website, but it's well worth it. You get, I don't know exactly how many, about 170 shots off of this tank before refilling. This is about 130 shots before refilling. And like I said, the custom, or not the custom, but the first strike ready bolt, which I have installed in here. I'm not gonna open up the gun only because I have this zeroed in, and I'm not trying to, re-zero, especially after having to put this piece of rubber in just to give it the decline. But now onto the, onto going outside so that I can show you guys the shooting of this rifle with the first strike, brass and copper rounds. So I'll see you guys outside. All right, so here we are outside, and I've got the 14 round and the first strikes. We're gonna go ahead and fill both sides up for the test. I don't know who mentioned it, but I do have permission from the police. The police station is literally right there. Let me show you guys. The police station is literally right there. I have permission from them to shoot my paintball gun in my backyard. I see that the target fell, so I'm gonna have to go get that after I'm done loading this. Okay, so the magazine is filled. Rifle is loaded. Safety is off. Actually, I'm gonna put the safety back on just to pick the target back up, and I'll be right back. I just wanted to show you guys what size the target is. This is it right here. It's pretty small. As you can see, I've already taken 3 shots just to make sure it was on 0. It is pretty small compared to me. I don't know if you can see that. But this is the target I am going to be shooting at. Now to place it back. All right, so we are now up and ready. Safety is off, and now to do the testing. Hit, spot on. Hit. 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 Somebody's coming by, so I'm going to put the rifle down just so I don't hit them. Hit. Hit. Out of ammo. Time to flip the magazine. We are once again loaded and ready to fire. Hit. 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 And we are out of ammo. So, as you can see, with first strikes, the rifle is deadly accurate. I even shot through a couple existing holes. And you've seen the target, the size of the target. These are the brass and copper first strike blue filled rounds with my custom Tacamo Blizzard sniper rifle with the 16-inch bang sticks barrel and the M50 muzzle brake. I hope this concludes my video and shows the accuracy of the smooth versus the rifled, even though I didn't use the smooth bore. But just to show you guys how accurate a rifle can be with a rifled barrel and first strikes, if your rifle is first strike compatible. I wanted to show you guys the target before I end this video. As you can see, you saw that there were 3 previous shots before them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and it looks like the 14th shot hit this hole. Looks like 2 hit this hole. So that's all shots on target. That shows the accuracy of my rifle. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.